If you guys have clicked on my channel for the very first time, welcome to my channel, guys. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you are already subscribed, welcome back to my amazing subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. I would really appreciate if you guys hit that like and share button.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
So guys, to start off my decorating, I will be hanging up my red and gold curtains. As I mentioned in my previous video where I did my DIY wine glasses, I mentioned that I would be doing red and gold, and that is going to be budget friendly for me because I already have a lot of red stuff, so I didn't really have to buy a lot. Alright, so my daughter is here helping me putting up my curtains, so that's the first thing that we're going to be doing. So guys, now that my curtains are up, I'm gonna roll out my area rug and I'm gonna place my coffee table on it. So next I'm going to be decorating my console table, and I'm going to be placing my gold reindeers and my red candle stand with some gold candles. So because my coffee table is facing my television, and my television is not high up, I'm gonna be placing something simple and small on this table, which is gonna be 3 vases and some gold and red floral decor. So I love this picture frame so much because it's a great representation of all the females in my home, and when I look at it, I just see us as queens blooming. And I'm also gonna place some gold mirrors around her. So I don't know if anyone else have this problem, but I'm always undecided when it comes to sofa cushions. But I also have some poinsettia cushions that I had from last year, and I wanted to throw them in as well so that they can blend in with my Christmas curtain. But I'm still undecided on the cushions, but yeah. Come on, sure. And nobody feels that because you put on a star, you're a star.
No, star me agree na.
Make the star face to we.
Star na na face na. Star is just a star.
So I don't know if you guys have seen my shorts video, but I was so tired when I was decorating the Christmas tree, so I didn't record. But I did a shorts video showing you guys what my Christmas tree looked like. But in case you've missed it, this is it, guys. So this is like one of my favorite parts to decorate, which is doing the tablescape. And I'm just going to be putting some of the items in my description box. Most of them are stuff that I already had and some are new items. So I will place the new items where I got them in my description box instead of, talking them out. Sometimes I don't remember. I have to go back and look. So for my tablescape, you're not going to be seeing any silverware because I'm sorting out some golden silverwares for my table. But mostly I'm going to be doing gold and red, and then my plates and my napkins are going to be white. So I'm just starting out with some gold placemats and some red chargers, and then we'll go from there. I don't know why I didn't do the centerpiece first, but I probably was too excited to do this tablescape. But yeah, just continue to watch, guys, and if you haven't thumbs up the video as yet, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You really help my channel when you do that. Also hit the share button if you would like to share with some friends and family so that they too can come over and support my channel by watching. Thank you. So for my centerpiece, it's gonna be a red vase, and I'm gonna add some red and gold Christmas flowers. And for my candle stand, it's gonna be gold, and my candles are gonna be red. So guys, my daughters had a napkin folding competition. So right now we have two different napkin folds on the table, and we still haven't decided which one we're going to be using. So guys, I'm not sure if you guys have seen my DIY glitter glasses. So I did some wine glasses and some drinking glasses in red and gold glitter, and that's them on the table. Let me know if you like them. All right, so moving on to my bar counter, I went in with my poinsettia table runner, and I'm just going to place it there just to add a little Christmassy touch to my kitchen and just a few little Christmas items. I have those tall red glasses that I'm going to place on the fridge top as well, but just to give it, a little touch of Christmas, not too much, nothing fussy. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you guys so much. And if you still haven't subscribed us yet, remember it costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. And please guys, don't watch a video and click off. Just like the video. All right, just click the like button, the thumbs up button. Get me to at least 100 thumbs up. All right, thank you so much for watching guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Just please interact with me and give me some ideas and stuff like that, what kind of video you would like to see me do. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, I will see you all in my next video. And don't forget the reason for the season.